Good morning, dear students. In today's computer class, we are going to discuss about storage in a computer. Okay, as you all knows that in our day-to-day life, we all need a storage place for storing our things. Means for storing different kinds of things, we need a different kind of storage place. Like we need almirah for storing our clothes and our books and clothes and other things, and for keeping your books on a proper place you need a school bag for storing your books and notebooks and pencil box. Okay, and for storing the eatable things we need a storage place like refrigerator where we can store our eatables, and it keeps them fresh. And another benefit of storing the things in a proper place is we can easily find them, we can search them easily. Okay, so as we organize or as we store the things in our day-to-day life, in the same way we can store the things in computer as well. In our previous chapter, computers memory, we have discussed then how the data is stored in computers memory. Okay, now the second question is that after storing the data in computer, if we want to use that data anywhere else, like suppose if you have stored any file in your personal computer and you want to show it in school, so how you will show that data in the school? So for that we need a kind of storage device in which we can store that data from computer. So here you all can see in this picture CD and pen drive, these two are storage devices. Okay, normally where we store the things we call them storage place, but in computers when we store data in any storage place, so it is called storage device. Okay, so CD and pen drive, these two are storage devices in which we can store computer data. Data can be anything, it can be your games, it can be any story, your drawings, songs, movie, anything it can be. Okay, so whatever you want to store in these two storage devices you can store, and you can use them anywhere wherever you want. Okay, okay, so now let's come to the exercise part. Okay, this is the exercise part of this chapter. First, in the first section you have to match the correct device with correct word. Like in refrigerator we store fruits and vegetables, in almirah we store clothes, in school bag we store books and notebooks, and in CD, okay, CD we use with computer. Okay, in true and false, storage places are used to store things, it is true. Okay, like storage places like almirah, refrigerator, CDs, pen drives. And second is a computer can store only sound in CD, so it is false, because I told you that we can store any kind of data like pictures or movies or games or any drawing or letter, anything we can store in CD. A refrigerator is used to keep your books and notebook, it is false, because refrigerator is used for storing eatables, not books and notebooks. For this purpose we use the school bag. And in section C, give the answer in one word. So which storage place is used to keep your books and notebooks? So you keep your books and notebooks in your school bag. Second question is, where do you store your clothes and books and toys? So we store all these things in almirah. And last question is, where do you keep fruits, vegetables and cold drinks in your house? So all these things we store in refrigerator. Okay, so this is the exercise part. In activity section, in first part, two boxes are given here, so here you have to draw or paste the picture of a pen drive and CD. So either you can paste the picture or you can draw, like as I draw the picture of pen drive and CD here. So in the same way you can draw, or you can paste the picture also. Okay, and in this last section, write the first letter of all these birds and insects name, and it makes a storage device name, which is PEN. P from parrot, E from eagle, N for nightingale, D from dog, R from rabbit, I from insect, and V from vulture, E from emu. So it makes the word pen drive, which is a storage device. Okay, so complete these two pages in your book. See you all in the next class. Bye bye.